Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling a topic that was supposed to be the next big thing: predictive analytics for personalization. You know, the promise of algorithms magically knowing exactly what you want before you even realize it yourself. On paper, it sounded amazing, but as we've seen, the reality often fell short. Instead of seamless, hyper-relevant experiences, we've gotten some creepy, often inaccurate recommendations. So the big question is, why did predictive analytics for personalization, in many cases, fail to live up to the hype? We're going to break down the framework that really gets to the heart of why products succeed or fail, the jobs to be done theory and its methodology, zero pivot problem solving. This isn't about pointing fingers at specific tech, but understanding if we are solving the right problem in the right way. First, let's recap the core idea of jobs to be done. People hire products or services to get a specific job done. They're seeking progress towards a desired outcome. It's not just about what people do, but why they do it. And zero pivot problem solving helps us identify and prioritize those outcomes. We need to understand the job and the desired outcomes before we build the solution. So, what was the job customers were trying to get done when they sought personalized experiences? It wasn't predict my future. It was more nuanced than that. It was about making me feel understood and seen, saving me time and effort in finding what I need, helping me discover new things that align with my interests, or feeling like the brand values my individual preferences. These are all desired outcomes, not to be confused with the solution of predictive analytics, which is just how a company chooses to deliver it. These are powerful outcomes, but here's where things started to unravel. Many efforts in predictive personalization focused too heavily on the predictive part of the equation without first truly understanding if the predictive capability would actually achieve these desired customer outcomes. Here's how the focus on predictive analysis often went wrong. There was an over-reliance on data. Algorithms became obsessed with what customers were doing and not why. They collected vast amounts of data, but often lacked the context or nuance to understand the desired outcome the customer was seeking. Just because you bought a specific product on Tuesday does not always mean you want more of it on Wednesday. The predictive modeling assumed relationships that didn't always translate into actual progress. The creepy factor. Sometimes the algorithms got a little too good at predicting, crossing that line into being invasive and unsettling. Recommendations for products that felt too targeted or eerily close to something that was discussed in private caused a big problem in achieving the outcome of making me feel understood. The job was not creep me out. It was make me feel seen and valued. The accuracy trap. A focus on predictive accuracy became the ultimate goal. But high predictive accuracy doesn't automatically mean successful personalization. An algorithm can accurately predict you'll purchase a specific shirt you've seen before, but that may not fulfill your current desire to find something new. This is a failure to understand the desired outcome. Sometimes you want to be predicted, and sometimes you want to be surprised. Lack of iteration and feedback. The predictive model was often the be-all and end-all, with insufficient consideration of ongoing customer feedback. The desired outcomes of the customer weren't monitored, measured, or iterated on. This leads to rigid rather than fluid personalization that reacts to user feedback. So what's the lesson here? Using the jobs to be done framework, we can see that it wasn't the concept of personalization that failed, but the approach. We forgot the fundamental question: what job is the customer actually trying to get done by focusing on the technology or the solution rather than the problem? By understanding the outcomes customers want from a personalized experience, we can build better solutions. The data and the predictive analysis are important, but they should be used to achieve user outcomes, not to be an end in itself. The failure of some predictive personalization efforts isn't a death knell for the concept. It's a crucial lesson. By understanding what progress our customers are truly seeking, we can create experiences that are not just clever, but truly valuable and make the user's life better. Thanks for watching.